One t-shirt design trend that has been super popular for so long is that outdoorsy, nature-inspired design. And you know what I'm talking about, whether it's a national park themed shirt or maybe just a rugged, get outside, go hiking type design. You have seen it everywhere. And I think I have 3 reasons why they are so popular and why you should think about making some if you are getting into the print-on-demand space. The first reason outdoor and adventure style t-shirts are so popular is because it is a wonderful and easy piece of memorabilia. It is a great memento for maybe a place that you visited, or maybe a place that you want to visit, or just a place that you are passionate about. They are easy to get everywhere, and if you can't find it at the actual location, you can definitely find it online. It's a great way to show off where you've been, or just to show that you are proud of some specific spot, or maybe just an inspirational quote about hiking or anything like that. It's also just a practical type of sentiment, a memento, because much like you would use a mug for coffee, or maybe you would use a keychain to put on your keys, you have this practical item that you can use and showcase things like where you've been or something you're passionate about. And while cups and keychains and other things like that are really cool, I think most people are gonna go for the shirt or the hoodie or something. It's extremely accessible. It's almost available anywhere, like I mentioned before. And I think that is one of the reasons why outdoor adventure style t-shirts are so popular, because they are great mementos. Another reason outdoor t-shirt designs are so popular is because they are both familiar and modest. And what I mean by this is they're very recognizable. Almost everyone recognizes nature of some sort, again, whether it's a national park or whether it's just some mountains or a bear or something like that. And they're also just modest in the way that they are socially acceptable almost anywhere. And what I mean by that is that it's rare that you're going to wear some kind of outdoor design and people are going to get offended. It's very rare, I think, that you will have that problem. So that's why it makes such a great opportunity. It makes a great design style for you to get in for things like print on demand, or maybe for your local shop or something like Etsy or something like that, because they are familiar. There's this design language that everybody recognizes. They instantly know it's nature, and it's also just socially acceptable. People are going to always pretty much be okay with it and most likely engage with it. Oh, you've been to that place? Ah, that's really cool. Or wow, I really like your hiking shirt. Where'd you get it? Things like that. I think this second reason is why t-shirts for the outdoor scene are so popular. So the third and last reason I think outdoor t-shirt designs are so popular is because they are flexible. And what I mean is they could be one color, one just solid color. They could be 2 colors. They could be a simple layout. They could be an elaborate layout. You could have lots of elements. You can have type N illustrations. You can have multiple colors, or like I said, just a flat one color. They're just so flexible. You can have so many different ideas. If you want just some really cool rugged script lettering with a little icon or something like that, you can get as intense and creative or as simple and modest as you want, and people are still going to recognize and they're still going to like this kind of outdoor, gritty, rugged nature style t-shirt design. So no matter what occasion or place you may be designing about, you can be really flexible with the type of design, from simple all the way to really elaborate. And I guarantee you online, you're going to find everything in between. You're going to find a really simple one color design for nature, outdoors, things like that. Maybe even just quotes on a shirt. And then you're going to find more embellished, more intense illustrations, like a whole scene and a river or mountains and all that kind of stuff. I guarantee you, you're going to find it. So it's these 3 reasons I think that outdoor nature style t-shirts are a great and popular trend for you to get in on in print on design space. And Kittl is going to help you do this. We have tons of templates already ready for you to go in the t-shirt design area. We also have tons of videos on t-shirt design here on Kittl, so be sure to check those out. I know you're going to love it, and Kittl's just so easy to use, and especially for print on demand, I think you're going to be blown away. It's like magic, so I hope you give Kittl a try for your outdoor style t-shirt designs. So I have some more t-shirt videos here on my right. Be sure to check those out. I think you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials and things like that. Until next time, create magic.